Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learners. Today's episode is calm, simple, and from the heart. No difficult grammar, no pressure, just real English for real feelings. Because today, we are talking about something very special, Valentine's Day, but not in a complicated way. Today, we will talk about love in simple English. Let me ask you something. When you hear the word Valentine, what do you feel? Maybe happiness? Maybe excitement? Maybe loneliness? Or maybe nothing. And that's okay, because Valentine's Day means different things to different people. For some people, it is about romance. For others, it is about memories. And for many people, it is just another day. And today, we are not going to make it dramatic. We are just going to talk, like friends. Valentine's Day is usually about love, but love is not only about couples. Love can be many things. Love can be kindness. Love can be care. Love can be respect. Love can be friendship. Sometimes love is simply listening to someone. In simple English, we often say, I care about you. You matter to me. I'm happy you are in my life. These are simple sentences, but very powerful. Many English learners think love sentences are difficult. They think they need big words. But the truth is, simple English is more real. For example, instead of saying, you are the most extraordinary person I have ever encountered, you can say, I really like being with you. And honestly, that sounds more natural, more human, more real. Let's talk about something important. You do not need perfect English to express real feelings. You don't. If your heart is honest, your words don't need to be perfect. Even simple sentences like, I miss you, I'm thinking about you, I hope you are okay. These are real English sentences, and people understand them everywhere, because emotions are universal. Now I want to talk to those people who feel a little lonely today. Maybe you are single, maybe you are far from someone you love, maybe you lost someone, and today feels heavy. If that is you, I want to say something very simple. You are not alone. Many people feel this way, and it's okay to feel quiet on Valentine's Day. Not every day needs to be loud. Some days are soft, and soft days are okay. In English, we don't always need big romantic speeches. Sometimes we just say, take care of yourself. That is also love. Self-love is important, very important, because before you give love, you must feel safe inside yourself. And that starts with small things: resting, breathing, smiling a little, even drinking tea quietly. Yes, even that. Let's talk about something beautiful. Valentine's Day is not only about receiving love, it is also about giving love. And giving love does not always mean gifts. It can be simple: a message, a smile, a kind word. Imagine sending someone this message: Hey, I just wanted to say I appreciate you. That's it. Short, simple, but powerful. Because appreciation is rare, and when people feel appreciated, they remember it. In daily English, we use very natural love expressions. Let me share some simple ones. I'm glad you're here. You make my day better. I enjoy talking to you. You make me smile. These are real-life English sentences, not from movies, not from books, from real people. And you can use them, even if your English is basic. Now, let's talk about something honest. Valentine's Day can also create pressure. Social media shows perfect couples, perfect gifts, perfect dinners. But real life is not perfect. Real love is quiet. Real love is patient. Sometimes real love is boring. And that's okay, because real love is not a performance. It's a connection, a feeling of comfort, a feeling of safety. Let me tell you something important as an English learner. You don't need perfect English to sound deep. Simple English can be very deep. For example, I feel peaceful with you. This sentence is easy, but very meaningful, because peace is rare, and when someone gives you peace, that is special. Maybe today you want to say something to someone, but you feel shy. That's normal. Many people feel shy expressing feelings in English. So here's a simple formula. Start small. You don't need poetry. Just be real. You can say, "I'm not good with words, but I care about you." This is very natural English and very honest. Now, I want to talk about friendship, because friendship is also love. And sometimes, friendship is the purest form of love. No pressure, no drama, just presence. A simple message like, "Thank you for being my friend," can mean a lot, especially in today's fast world, where people are busy, where people forget to say thank you. Let's slow down for a moment. Take a deep breath. Think about one person who made your life easier. Maybe a friend, maybe a parent, maybe a teacher, maybe even yourself. Yes, yourself. Sometimes we forget to thank ourselves for surviving hard days, for not giving up, for trying again. You deserve appreciation too. Here's a simple English sentence you can say to yourself today. I'm proud of myself. Try saying it slowly. I'm proud of myself. It feels different, right? Because self-respect is powerful, and confidence starts from inside. Valentine's Day is often red, roses, hearts, candles. But real love has many colors. Sometimes love is quiet and blue, sometimes warm and golden, sometimes soft and white. Love is not only romantic, it is emotional, it is human, it is imperfect, and that's what makes it real. Let me share a gentle reminder. You don't need a relationship to be worthy of love. You don't. Your value is not decided by your relationship status. You are already enough just by being here, just by breathing, just by trying. And that is a powerful truth. If you are learning English, remember this. Language is not only grammar. Language is connection. It helps you say, I understand you, I hear you, I'm here. And sometimes that is more important than perfect pronunciation, because emotions remember feelings, not grammar rules. Before we close today's episode, I want to leave you with something simple. If you want to celebrate Valentine's Day, keep it simple. You don't need expensive plans. You can take a walk, write a message, listen to calm music, call someone you miss, or even sit quietly with yourself and breathe. Peace is also love, and if today feels ordinary, that's okay too. Not every day needs fireworks. Some days are just quiet pages in your story, and quiet pages are important. They give you space. They give you rest. They give you clarity. So wherever you are right now, morning or night, busy or calm, happy or healing, I want to say this to you. You are doing better than you think. You are growing slowly, and slow growth is real growth. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for learning English, not just with your mind, but with your heart, because real language lives in emotions, not in textbooks. Before nobody told you this today, let me say it in simple English. You matter. Your journey matters. Your voice matters. And your story is still being written. Happy Valentine's Day. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking from the heart.